Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a subdomain in cPanel using NameHero. I'm also going to show you how to install WordPress and Elementor. So sit back, relax, hit that like and subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do is click on account in the top right hand side of our screen, and then we need to click on My Cloud. Then we're going to wait for our page to load, and once it does we're going to select the package that we want to add our subdomain onto. And once you've finally done that, log in to your cPanel. Once your cPanel has loaded, what you're now going to need to do is scroll down the page and you're looking for the word domain. And in this section where it says domain, you're looking for the word subdomain. Give that a click. Now you'll be taken to the section where all your domains are listed. But more importantly, it says create subdomain, and in the box directly underneath, start typing in the name of your subdomain. Once you're done, you're going to need to click on the drop down menu just underneath, and you're going to have to select the domain that you want your subdomain listed under. All that's left for you to do is click on the create button, and as you'll see, you get a green successful banner. Now that your subdomain's been created, we're going to install WordPress onto it. To do that, we're going to click on go back. And then once we go back to our domain list, you can see our subdomain has been added to our list. Now that I know our subdomain has been added to our list of domains, I'm going to click on the NameHero logo in the top left hand side, which will take us back to our cPanel dashboard. Now what you're going to need to do is look for the section where it says scripts. I've rearranged mine so it might not be the same on your page, but look down for the list for scripts and click on WordPress. You'll be then taken to the WordPress dashboard where you need to click on WordPress Manager at the top of the screen. Now you're going to have to click on the install button on the left hand side of the page. Now you're going to see a page that says software setup. In this section it has a drop down menu and you're going to select your subdomain. Make sure to write down your admin username and its password and click on quick install on the right hand side of your page. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on install. This brings a progress bar up that says it takes up to 4 minutes to install WordPress. It doesn't actually take that long. This is in real time and it's already installed. Now that you've installed WordPress onto your website, all you need to do is click on Return to WordPress Management. This will bring up all the list of your websites, and at the bottom it will have our subdomain. Now I'm going to click on login and it will take us into the back end of our subdomain. Now what I'm going to show you is how to install Elementor onto your WordPress subdomain. And to do that we need to click on plugins on the left hand side of our screen. Now we need to click on add new at the top of our page, and in the search bar on the right hand side we're going to type in Elementor, and once we're done we're going to push the return button. Once our search is complete, we're going to click on the Install Now button next to Elementor Website Builder. And once Elementor has installed onto our website, we're going to click on the Activate button. You'll then be asked whether you want to create an Elementor account. I already have one, so I'm going to click on skip in the right hand side, but if you don't, click on create my account. If you're following these steps, you'll then be asked whether you want to use the Elementor Hello theme. I'm not adding a theme, so I'm going to click on skip. You'll then be asked to add your site name. I'm leaving mine as my blog. As I'm only going to be using this as a demo site, I'm just going to click on skip. You'll then be asked whether you want to add a logo to your subdomain. I don't at the moment, so I'm going to click on skip. The final thing you're going to be asked is whether you want to edit a blank canvas or whether you want to choose a template to import into your website. I don't want to choose at the moment, so I'm going to choose neither, and I'm going to click on skip in the right hand side of the screen. And as you can see, once the page loads, Elementor has loaded the widgets on the left hand side of our page. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to create a subdomain within cPanel, add WordPress to your subdomain and install Elementor within WordPress on that subdomain. If you have found this video useful, please do hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to know how to install Elementor Pro onto your WordPress website, then check out the video coming up now. If you haven't got Elementor Pro, there is a link in the top of the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.